All right, that's going to be step one, is decide on what f-stop you want to do. So let's say we want to shoot f8, right? So we're going to meter the light, and we're going to meter towards the light from Michaela's face. Okay, so we are going actually chin side towards the light. And we're getting f16, so we need to go down 2 stops. F8, perfect. It was F16, we went down 2 stops to get it to F8. Okay, so a lot of times, let's talk a little bit about a light meter. So, can anybody tell me what these are used for? Measuring what? Okay. Why would you want to use it? Anybody? Be precise, and maybe what's another reason? Get the results you're looking for. So being precise and getting the results you want, what that means is you want predictability. You want to be able to repeat something quickly and easily. So if you're setting up headshots and you have a favorite lighting setup, you can go in without your subjects even be here, do all the readings, pop, 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 get them in front of your camera, and then fine-tune your lighting at that point. So you're not wasting their time, and you're getting repeatable results. So you may say, I can do that on the back of my camera. And you may be able to, I can't. I mean, I can't see subtle half-stop changes between highlights and shadows and things like that on my camera. So I use a light meter, and again, it's just so I can get results quickly. Cool. Okay, so F8 on that. So a lot of times a good starting place is about 2 stops on. So we're going to try to get F4. Okay, so I'm a third of a stop under. Okay, F4. All right, just like that. Chin this way, just a touch. Hint of a smile. So this is back to tethering. Michaela is looking awesome right there. Up real tall there.